Oh my gosh, I finally got it, my dream car. And that's not even the best part. I got it covered for the full 6 years of my car note, 7-year warranty by Mercedes. Y'all hating, I know. I'm so happy, And guess what? Boom.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to ICNV Driver's Edition, and today I have an interesting conversation for you. And if you already know, especially by that beautiful introduction, we are going to dive into a conversation that honestly I've been having for the past couple of years with a lot of people, and it's really picking up traction to the point I feel like it's really time to dive into this. I was at an event and we ended up going to lunch, and we got into a very deep conversation about warranties, and I started to realize a lot of people truly don't understand how warranties work, or they have this preconception that an extended warranty is actually a continuation of their factory warranty. So let's dive into this topic about extended warranties, and is your factory warranty really extended? Let's talk about it. Before we start to dive into this conversation, let's get past the formalities. My name is Sho. This is ICNV Driver's Edition, and we are an interactive car community. That means that if you reach out to me on any one of my social media platforms or in the comments below, I will do my best to respond. And if the topic you bring up is interesting enough, I will possibly shoot a video on it. With that being said, this topic is literally part of this interactive community. I've been asked so many times, what is my thoughts on extended warranties? So I feel like to truly answer this question, I need to answer it in multiple points. So in this video, I'm going to really go over what a warranty is, the factory warranty, the concepts behind a factory warranty, the concepts behind an extended warranty. And then I'm going to go into, is your warranty really extended, and the purpose or function of a warranty. And hopefully by the end of this video, you can truly understand the benefits of having an extended warranty and if it's a good purchase for you. So let's start off by defining what is a warranty. And for those of you that don't know, a warranty is a guarantee issued to the purchaser promising to repair or replace a product or article for a certain timeline. And when it comes to cars, all warranties are limited, even a factory warranty. And a factory warranty is a new vehicle limited warranty that doesn't generally cover normal wear items and defects, but offers repair or replacement on everything else built by the manufacturer. So when you think of a factory warranty, most people really go around the concept of bumper to bumper, but it doesn't really cover bumper to bumper because it doesn't cover normal wear items. And wear items would be like tires, brake pads during normal use, rotors during normal use, and so forth. And many of us understand that, so we don't really have that misconception at this point in time when it comes to owning a new vehicle warranty or owning a vehicle overall. But I need people to understand that all factory warranties are limited warranties, so you can truly understand the concept behind this going forward. So if your factory warranty is a limited warranty, there is truly no bumper to bumper coverage. Now, when we talk about extended warranties, I need you to understand what an extended warranty is. An extended warranty is a prolonged warranty offered to the consumer. You're no longer considered the purchaser now, you're considered the consumer, in addition to the standard warranty that was originally issued when it was new. And it is also limited. Now, the funny thing, or the major concept behind this extended warranty is it is also limited And in most cases, it's more limited than the original factory warranty. And one thing you need to understand, all extended warranties are third-party warranties. There is no such thing as a factory extended warranty. And the sooner you can grasp that understanding, the better you will understand what you're buying into or the misconception you are being sold. There is no such thing as a factory extended warranty because the factory issues a warranty for a specific timeline. And even if something does become a defect or something happens during the manufacturer's warranty period and they issue you warranty coverage for a longer timeline, which does happen from time to time, they actually issue you an extended warranty plan that they sign off for paying for, and the coverage is added or provided to you. And it falls into the classification, or should I say, action plan, as every extended warranty that you would possibly buy. So when we talk about extended warranties, understand it is not the extension of the factory warranty, because there are limitations to the warranty, and most of them are more limited or more confinement than the actual initial factory warranty you received. Now, one thing that should also help you understand that you are now entering into an extended warranty, most extended warranties are usually categorized as some form of protection plan, service extension contract, or limited warranty extension. But ultimately, the categorization of the warranty and the paperwork you sign does not say extended factory warranty. Is that a problem? No, but I need you to understand that just because you go to Mercedes-Benz and then you leave with the Mercedes-Benz extended service contract does not mean you have an extended warranty of the factory warranty from Mercedes-Benz. Just because you go to General Motors and you have a GMPP warranty does not mean you have an extended factory warranty from General Motors. All extended warranty companies are third-party companies, even if they share or utilize the name of the company you're buying the vehicle from. So I want you to understand that, because Mercedes-Benz has Mercedes-Benz Financial, and Mercedes-Benz Financial is not the same as Mercedes-Benz. Do you get me? General Motors has GMC. They have GMAC. They have GMPP. All of these extensions start with GM, but they end with something else. And if you actually go out and do the research, they are all their own individually standing company or LLC, meaning that if you sue them, you are technically not suing General Motors, the manufacturer. And now that we have explained that, we can really get ready to dive into, is your factory warranty really extended? Let's take a quick break and do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Help me reach my goal of 25 before 25, which is 2,500 subscribers before the year 2025. We're chasing the movement. Be part of it. Join the channel, especially if you like the content you've seen so far. We have more stuff like this coming your way, and you too can help guide the focus of the content that comes your way. So subscribe to the channel, hit that like button. As we get ready to dive into, is your factory warranty really extended? I think you need to understand the concept of a warranty. And what I mean by that is, warranties aren't meant to be used. Warranties are another form of insurance. It's something you want to have just in case of. This is the hardest concept for everybody to truly understand, because people purchase extended warranties literally out of fear and to prevent cost of repairing their cars. All warranty plans aren't the same. You can get a warranty coverage package from your credit union, from your bank, from your financial institution, whoever financed the car. There are multiple third-party companies that are out there. There are several manufacturers out there who have their own manufacturing extended warranty company. And if you do the research, because you do not have to buy an extended warranty when you buy the car. What people also don't know is because the warranties are legitimately by a third party company, i.e. GMPP, GMPP doesn't just cover General Motor vehicles. A lot of people don't understand that. GMPP will also cover an Infiniti, a Mercedes, an Acura, and let me just get to the point. It will cover other manufacturers. The cost may be different, but it will still cover them. So when a new dealership sells a used car, they can use GMPP to cover that car. But what tends to happen is the cost of the warranty for GMPP to cover it, it's usually higher than the cost of another third-party vendor they have offering coverage for the same vehicle at a lower cost. So a lot of times the actual dealer just chooses not to go with that coverage. And that's the thing you have to understand. Most of us are introduced to a warranty plan not because we've actually done the research ourselves and reached out to purchase it. We're being shown the warranty plan by a dealership that is looking to target our business to a certain customer. Because of that factor, every warranty that is shown to you isn't always the best warranty for you. But with all that said, the truth of the matter, no two extended warranties are the same. And that's the problem. Because a factory warranty will cover pretty much everything done by the factory, whether it's misrouting, bad installation practices for one of their workers, and so forth. And an extended warranty will always be limited and actually look for exclusions. I'll give you an example. And I've talked to several of you and actually seen paperwork, document, and so forth documenting this. I've seen and met with customers that actually have convertible Corvettes. They have a GMPP warranty, and the GMPP warranty based off certain parameters. And I'll dive deeper into that. I had a customer that had a cable routing issue with his convertible top, and how the cable was routed wasn't secured correctly, and it was chafing and created an issue where the wire chafed and eventually the top stopped working. He took it in to get repairs done under the factory warranty from the manufacturer that actually came with the car when he bought it new. So they repaired it. Later down the line, almost 2 years later, he had another issue come up with the convertible top. Based off the fact that the factory replaced the wire harness because it was chafing and it wasn't secured correctly, the GMPP warranty denied fixing the wire harness on the car, which it wasn't a chafing issue at this point, to actually fix the top this time based off a hunch. The mechanic just put up a new wire harness and so forth. But GMPP denied the warranty claim because they stated the wire harness was already addressed before as an issue, preventing the convertible top from working. So if the wire harness requires replacement now for the convertible top to work, it was being categorized as a known issue, and they do not fix previous or known issues with the car. So I thought that was very interesting. Now, I would like to believe, and I kind of almost know, if this would have happened again with the factory warranty, GM would have fixed the issue regardless of whose fault it was, or even the fact that it wasn't the same technical issue that caused the problem. So think about that. I will also sit there and say this to you. I know people who have extended warranties from the manufacturer of their car, and what they run across is, and I'll give you another example. I know someone that had an issue with their heated seat, and the extended warranty refused to fix the heated seat because they said it's a heated and cool seat. The element is still functional. So they'd require the heated and cool functioning to stop working in order to get the seat replaced or to get that item repaired. A warranty from a credit union on a similar car, but technically I think a year or two newer, went ahead and repaired the heated seat option when that problem occurred on a different vehicle, but the same make and model type. So like I said before, that just because you get a warranty from the manufacturer or from the brand name, I would say, doesn't mean your factory warranty is extended. And like I stated before, warranties aren't really meant to be utilized 100%. They have certain expectations of things they expect to pay out. They have a certain amount of money they expect to pay out. And overall, typically based off of that, they will do repairs which will help you save money. But in the long run, I hate to say it to you, they look to not repair the car more than they look to actually repair the car. And you need to think about that. Am I telling you that a warranty is a bad investment or a purchase? I am not. Because like I said, they actually have expectations to pay. It just depends, you're rolling the dice on what's going to actually get covered. And so when I say this to you, I want you to understand that when you go out and buy an extended warranty, it's actually sold to you by the financial management person that's securing your financing. And in most cases, he's not selling you the best warranty for your car or the best option for the car you're buying. He's selling you the warranty that at that point in time, it's the warranty that they are pushing or which is offering the biggest kickback. Now, am I saying this to get you to question the finance manager? No, I'm not. But I want you to understand that you don't have to buy the warranty when you buy the car. There is a window that you are allowed to do research and explore. But what I would recommend to you is do your research. Actually look into the warranty. Check around on Facebook. Look out in certain forums. Ask about the warranty. Go to the warranty company's actual webpage and look at their restrictions because it's really easy to find. I went to a couple warranty pages just to see what their contracts state and what it don't state. And what you actually see is they publish this information because they want to make it accessible. So when they deny your claim, they can say it was always there. You just didn't read it. And I think it's even more funnier today because with the transformation of the sales industry and technology being added, when I bought warranties back in 2000 in the late 1990s, I used to get a pamphlet which had all this stuff in it. Now I get a piece of paper that gives me a website address to go to actually read or become more informed about what my warranty covers. They give me a small brochure that says it covers these things, but it really doesn't highlight all the things that they don't cover or what would trigger a warranty denial. But again, I'm getting sidetracked. And what I think I've shown, or maybe I haven't, you let me know in the comments below, but an extended warranty doesn't extend your factory warranty. And if you have a disagreement with me, let me know in the comments below. If you think I didn't cover a certain aspect of this, let me know. But at the end of the day, I hope this information helped you out a lot. There's way more details I can go into on this, and I'm actually making another video specifically for my Corvette following, covering this topic but more in depth because a lot of people don't understand that GMPP warranties aren't from GM. And we're going to talk about that in another video. But as always, remember, we were designed in his image, which means we weren't just meant to be. Live your life, accept who you are, and embrace your identity. Remember, it is okay to be unique. And as always, stay blessed, stay safe, and I will see you in these streets. Peace.